How to find your parked cars in Google Maps. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to guide you through on how we can find our parked cars in Google Maps. So let's just go ahead and look out on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. First of all, head over and open up the Google Maps on your device, and after that you're just gonna go ahead and park your car and open up your Google Maps as I said, and you're gonna locate your location. For example, let's say I am in this location right here. So let's say I have parked my car right here. So what you can do is tap on your location, and after you have tapped on your location, you can find this option called save here. When you swipe to the right, just tap on save, and you're gonna tap on new list, and you're gonna make your private list and type in here parking car. Just go ahead and type in that, and you can go ahead and give a list of the description if you want, or you can just make it shared as well if you want other people to know it, and go ahead and create your location here. So after that is done, you would just go ahead and tap on your location, and if you want to navigate your directions, you would just go ahead and click on that location that you've just saved as your parking car. Just go ahead and make out your direction. Just start your directions like this. For example, like parking location, your direction, just go ahead and tap on it, and you can make up your parking. You can share your location, you can enter your parking notes, your time, your hour, and you can also choose off your directions. So that is how you do it. Follow this method. It is very super easy. Just follow this method and you can easily do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.